Hey there, welcome to Saloni's Saturday Knits. So today I'm going to crochet this cute little heart, and this was I think my second or third attempt. Let me show you my first attempt. Here it is. This is my first trial in which I failed pretty badly, but you can see the difference between the first and this attempt. Significant improvement. Okay, so this is what we are going to make today. I know Valentine's over, but we can have this cute little symmetrical heart. So first I took this wool taken out from a very old sweater, and I'm not so sure about the hook size. So I'm considering these two. This I think is 3 mm and 3.5. Okay. So to start with, what I did was I made a magic ring and secured it with this chain. Then I'm going to start with 3 chain stitches. This is my first chain, then second chain, and here goes my third chain. Then I'm going to do 3 triple crochet stitches. For a triple crochet, wrap the yarn twice, put it in the magic ring, pull over. You'll have 4 loops on the needle. Wrap the yarn again and pull through the first 2. Then wrap it again and pull through the next 2 like this. Then wrap it one last time and pull through the last 2. So this is my 1 triple crochet. I'm going to repeat the same 2 more times. So in total there's going to be 3 triple crochet stitches. Pulling through the first 2, wrapping the yarn again, pulling through the next 2, then wrap the yarn one last time and pull through the last 2 till there's a single loop again on the needle. One last triple crochet, wrap the yarn twice, insert in the magic ring, pull over. You'll have 4 loops on the needle. Wrap the yarn again and pull through the first 2, going it slow and steady because I don't know how to revert it if we make a mistake. So this is how I am done with 3 triple crochet stitches. Now next we are going to do 3 double crochet stitches. For that, just wrap the yarn once and put it in the magic ring. You'll have 3 loops on the needle. Wrap it again and pull through the first 2. Wrap it once more time and pull through the next 2. Doing the double crochet stitch again. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, pull the yarn again and pull through the next 2 loops. One last double crochet we need to do. So in total we did 3 double crochet. When you the pattern is the same for double and triple crochet stitches. You just have to pull through until there's a single loop left on the needle like this. Next we are going to make a single triple crochet stitch again. This is for the center of the heart, the bottom part, the sharp one. So for that we are making a triple crochet stitch. It's so difficult to pull by old wool. So here we are done with the triple crochet stitch also. So here we are done with the first half of our heart. You may not visualize it now, but if I just tighten this ring, you can see our first half is done. Next we are just going to reverse the order. Till now we did CTD, that is 3 chains, 3 triple, then 3 double crochets, and then a single triple crochet for the middle. Now I'm just going to reverse the order. So starting with 3 double crochets again. This is my second double crochet. Feel free to skip the next part if you remember the order. So my 2 double crochets are done. This is my last double crochet stitch. Pulling once and pulling twice. Next we'll again do 3 triple crochet stitches like we initially did, wrapping the yarn twice, inserting it into the ring, pulling the yarn. We have 4 loops, then pulling through the first 2 loops, pulling through the second 2 loops, and pulling through the third 2 loops. Done with the first triple crochet stitch. 2 more triple crochets. It gets easier with practice. Okay, 1 pull, here goes my second pull, and here goes my last pull. This is my second triple crochet, 1 last triple crochet stitch, pulling through the first 2. You'll remember the order once you do it 2-3 times, or just note it down somewhere. So we'll end it by 3 chain stitches again, same as we did initially. So 1 chain, second chain, and the last third chain. Why is it not coming through? Okay, and done with the 3 chain stitches. Now to end it, we'll do a slip stitch. For a slip stitch, just insert into the magic ring and pull the yarn all over without wrapping it to the needle. This is how we secure it, and it's done. Now this is the best part, how the heart will take the shape. This is when we close down the ring by pulling it thoroughly. Just tighten it as much as possible, or it will leave a hole in the middle. And done. This is a very simple, cute little heart. You can now make it into a bookmark or just attach it to some other piece. It's very easy to make. And see, it finally took the shape of a heart, symmetrical on both sides. This is how it looks. Now let's compare it with the first one that I made, not the first, the second one. Here it is. Now both are exactly same, the same pattern followed, but you can see the difference. This is because the yarn is different. In the purple one you can see the knots very clearly, but the black one also looks pretty. Here's the third one that I made. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.